In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom subtask type. We'll go through the full process inside Jira, from creating the new subtask type in settings all the way to making sure it appears when you try to add a subtask to an issue. This is useful when the default subtask option is too broad and you want something more specific for your team's workflow. To begin, go to the top right corner of Jira and click the settings icon. From the settings menu, choose work items. This will take you to the area where you can manage the different work item types available in your Jira environment. Once you're there, click Add Work Type. A form will open where you can define your new type. Start by entering a name for the new work type. Choose a clear and recognizable name so your team will immediately understand when to use it. After that, type a description. This description helps provide context, especially if multiple custom types are being used across different projects. Next, select the subtask work type option. This part is important because it tells Jira that the new item you're creating should behave like a subtask rather than a standard task, story, or another issue type. Once that's selected, click Add to create it. At this point, the custom subtask type exists, but it may not yet be available in your project. To fix that, click Work Type Schemes. These schemes control which work types are available in specific projects. Find the relevant scheme, click the three dots next to it, and then choose Edit. In the scheme editor, locate the subtask type you just created and drag it into the list to add it to the scheme. This step connects your new subtask type to the project setup. When you've placed it where you want, click Save. After saving, go back. Now navigate to the project where you want to use this new subtask type and open a task or issue inside that project. From there, click Create Subtask. In the subtask creation window, click on the current subtask type field to open the list of available options. You should now see the custom subtask type you created. Click it to select it, and that's it. Your custom subtask type is now created, added to the correct scheme, and ready to use inside your project. If you don't see it right away, double check that you edited the correct work type scheme for that project. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.